Alright, dropshipping gang, welcome to day 16 of our challenge where I'm taking an eBay store and scaling it all the way up to making $1,000 to $3,000 in net profit every single month. Yesterday, we had 3,250-ish something listings. Today, I've gone ahead and listed a little bit more. So we're currently at 3,786 active listings that are running on our store at the moment. Today, let's go ahead and check our orders. I believe we had 2 orders that came in for the 5th of April. Yep, which were these two. So one of them is valued at 44.50 while the other one is at 47.50. So we had 2 orders. As you can see, we started getting a consistent daily orders. Very good sign, right? So let's go ahead and have a look at our performance tab. Let's go to our traffic. Now, so far in the last 30 days, we had 1.7 million impressions. That's quite a lot. And we had 2,417 listing views, meaning the people that clicked on our listing and looked at it. Out of those 2,417, we're able to convert 24 sales. So -2, which came in for the day 17. We're at 24 sales for today's video. And our click-through rate is pretty much stabilizing 0.1. It will fluctuate, but I'm hoping that we can get this up a little bit. Our sales conversion, as you can see, is 1.1. We're seeing a bit of a stabilization, okay, as I've told you guys in the previous videos. So let's check our impressions. As you can see, I was listing. We had an exponential increase due to the fact that we started getting sales. Remember, sales bring sales. And the more we get sales, the more our organic listings are going to be pushed out. And if we're getting promoted listing sales, our promoted listing will actually get pushed out as well. In our cases, we're getting a mix of both. So that's why you see this exponential spike here. So we're sitting at around 40,000 impressions a day. And then the following day, we've gone to 200 something thousand impressions in total, taking organic and promoted listing impressions into account. Okay. When I tell you guys sales bring sales, you got to watch out for that. Sales do bring sales on eBay. As you can see, after that, we were getting around 2 to 3 sales a day. And over here, this right here is when I stopped listing. So we had like 3,250 listings for like a couple of days in our store. That's why that has plummeted a little bit, that's going down. However, also the days also fluctuate as well. Just because you stop listing for a few days, it doesn't mean your impressions are going to be plummeted, okay? So not only not listing affected this, also the time of the day, the seasonality also affected as well, okay? Just keep that in mind. You might not see this perfect view playing around in your eBay store, but I can tell you guys that this is the average of when you take all of those eBay stores into consideration. So moving on, today we had 222,000 impressions combining organic and promoted listing. Let's go to our listing views and have a look at that. As soon as we start listing more, our external goes back up and we had around 4, 5, 6, 7, 850-ish views in total, which was on the 5th of April. And let's have a look at our quantity sold. And we had 2 sales in total. One of them was organic, the other one was promoted. So as you guys can see, we're at a point where we're getting consistent sales and we will be getting consistent sales. So guys, these are the parts where you just repeat the same actions over and over and over, and you're going to get increasement in your sales over and over and over. And after a stage, when you hit your limitation and you look at all of the items that are in your store, and then you just recycle them, which you don't need to worry about that at that stage, because as we get closer to those stages, I will be going ahead and showing you guys and reminding you what you need to do. So without further ado, let's end today's video. I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Stay tuned.